Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh Rathore, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabh Polytechnic, Nursery. In today's lecture, we are learn about drawing process, not a picture drawing, but a drawing process used for making utensils, metal components. Such type of process known as drawing process. Of the subject manufacturing engineering 1, subject code TTT1901 from mechanical engineering department. Starting with introduction. Metal drawing is a metal working process by which metal is stretched and formed using tensile force. So with the help of tensile force, we have to make different types of utensils or components. It involves the use of metal dies. For making component dies required to form blank sheets of metal into desired shape. So with the help of sheet, we can make a different type of shapes. Stamping does not leave a single machine until the metal has completely formed. So the pressure is applied continuously. It is used for making wires, tubes, cups, squares and hexagonal product and home utensils. So such type of process used for making tubes, cup, square, hexagonal and home utensil products. Material must be clean and scale free before drawing process. So cleaning is required and lubrication process used for increase the life of die. So maintenance is required is everywhere. Now, the machine used for making wire or rod known as draw bench. So in several times it's asked what is draw bench. So machine used for making wires. And the next one is drawing process used for making cups known as cupping. So the process used for making cups known as cupping. Now, types of drawing process. Drawing operation can be classified as blank drawing operation, tube drawing operation and the wire drawing operations. So starting with blank drawing process or operation. In figure, an anvil or savage block is introduced at bottom on which a blank sheet is placed on which a retainer or a guide is placed and in between a punch is placed. Now pressure is applied to the blank sheet to form different types of utensils. Like in first all, it will make coins, it will make cup or a bowl or a glass or cylinders. The blank drawing process is a forming process which occurs under the combination of tensile and compressive conditions. So both type of forces applied in this type of process. Compression to hold the workpiece and the tensile for making product. A flat sheet metal blank is formed into a hollow body which appeared by a red color with smaller cross section. The rigid tools consist of punch, die and a binder. The plate holder closes after the metal sheet blank has been inserted. So with this type of process we have to make utensils like cup, bowl, cylinder, etc. Now the tube drawing process. Here the reducing type die is given and a mandrel or plunger produce pressure on the working metal and the rollers are useful for give them a line of direction. Tube drawing. Tube drawing is the drawing of hollow parts. For making hollow parts, tube drawing is used, where the outside formed by drawing die hole, the inside by plug or rod. As we discussed, tube drawing is also similar to the tube processes except it is used mandrel to reduce the wall thickness, mandrel or plug or a piston. and cross-section diameter of the tube. This mandrel plays with die or reducing die, and the workpiece is pulled by a carry system. The tube is either circular or rectangular, whatever shape is required. It also requires more than one pass to complete a drawing operation. Now the wire drawing process. It is similar to the tube drawing, but not mandrel or plunger or piston is used. It produces a thin wire with the help of reducing die. As is shown in the right side figure, there will be a die which reduce the diameter of the wire. A wire is a circular small diameter flexible rod. Wire drawing is an cold working process. It's an operation to produce wire of various size within certain specific tolerances. This process involves reducing diameter of thick wire by pressing it through a series of wire drawing dies, with the successive die having smaller diameter than the preceding one. As is shown in left side figure, mostly die are made by steel cast iron, tungsten carbide, diamond and other tools. The maximum reduction in the area of wire is less than 45 in one pass. So in one pass we have to reduce the diameter up to 45%. Now, equipment used in drawing process. The first one is hydraulic press or mandrel or plunger. Horizontal draw bench like anvil or savage. Continuous wire drawing machine like roller. Drawing die. Drawing punch, etc. Now, the characteristics of drawing process. It doesn't affect chemical or mechanical properties. Blank area reduced up to 50%. For blank or deep drawing, compressive test is necessary. If you want to make bowl or utensil or cups, compressive test is not necessary. Crack can be reduced by intermediate annealing process. So before making the product, so much heating the material is required. It increases strength and hardness of the material because it done on cold temperature. It gives better surface finish and dimensional accuracy. And last, it's a cold working process. So these are the characteristics of drawing process. Now application of drawing process. Used for making home utensils. Seamless tube or continuous without joint. Long thin cylinders like pipes. Oxygen and acetylene cylinders. Rifle cartridge. And thin wires. Now the factors affecting drawing process. The first one is workpiece temperature. Either it's cold or hot. Pressure, how much pressure is required for making different products. Radius of punch. So the size depend on die and the radius of punch. Radius on die, both are similar. Friction, how much friction produced while they are come in contact with each other. Workpiece material, either it is brittle or ductile. Percentage reduction and depth of draw, how much we have to reduce it and what is the depth, and the drawing speed and the die clearance. So these are the factors affecting drawing process. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.